Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how you can permanently fix iPhone lag with just a few simple steps. If your phone has been feeling slow or glitchy lately, don't worry. Follow along carefully, and you'll notice a big improvement. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on General. Then, find and open Background App Refresh. You'll see another option for Background App Refresh inside. Tap on it, and make sure to turn it off. This stops apps from refreshing content in the background and saves a lot of processing power. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap on Motion, and there, make sure to turn off Autoplay Animated Images. This small change actually helps reduce the workload on your phone system and can make it feel snappier. After that, stay inside Accessibility and tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down until you find Auto Brightness and turn it off. Managing brightness manually not only saves battery, but also prevents unnecessary system adjustments that slow down your phone. Now go back again and scroll down to Guided Access. Open it and turn on both Guided Access and Accessibility shortcut. These settings limit distractions from background processes and help keep your iPhone running more smoothly. Finally, one important step that many people miss: head back to the main settings menu and find Standby. Simply turn it off. Standby might look cool when your phone is charging, but it quietly uses up resources in the background and can contribute to lag. Once you've made all these changes, you should see a huge difference in how your iPhone performs: faster, smoother, and way more responsive. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you fix your iPhone lag, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.